Tired of repeating yourself just to get your child to brush, read, or tidy up? Imagine a routine where healthy habits happen on autopilot. No nagging, just calm, confident kids. Here's how to make it real with a proven 5-step system. First, let's rethink habits. Good habits run on autopilot, saving your child's energy for learning, laughing, and playing. You can help habits stick, not with more reminders or bribes, but with tiny daily actions that are easy to repeat. Step 1. Start small. Choose one micro-habit that takes less than 2 minutes. 1 page of reading, shoes on the rack, plate in the sink. Keep it short and doable. Step 2. Pair it with a daily cue. After breakfast, after school, after brushing teeth. After X, I do Y. This link makes it automatic. Step 3. Make it obvious and easy. Put the toothbrush where it's seen. Lay the book on your child's pillow. Set up a designated bag station by the door. Use labeled baskets, so everything has a place. Step 4. Give instant win feedback. A high five, a sticker, or simply, "I noticed you did that by yourself." Praise the action right away. Step 5. Track and celebrate streaks. Mark off every day on a calendar and celebrate 5, 10, or 21 days with special experiences, not treats. Test it in real life. Morning. Wake, brush, pack, using a picture card. After school. Snack, tidy for 10 minutes, then homework. In the evening. Screens off an hour before bed, followed by bath, brush, book, and sleep. Swap bribes for praise and privileges. For screens, create clear rules and model the behavior yourself. Your 7-day plan. Pick one habit on day 1. Set the cue on day 2. Practice together on day 3. Let your child lead on day 4. Celebrate on day 5. Add a second habit if ready on day 6. And review progress together on day 7. You can start today. Comment with your child's first habit. Subscribe for more simple parenting systems and watch those healthy habits grow. No nagging required.